Okay. So, where is the?
Yeah, done.
All right. It's nice meeting you. You're looking very handsome.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the second floor.
Now you are lying, asking whether you want pure or not. You want?
Yes. No problem.
No problem.
Yes.
No problem.
Well done, madam. I've
You
actually,
go there, sit.
I've actually
Go
gone
sit
to.
there. Yes.
I've gone to the first floor. I've seen some. Okay.
Now we can shoot when we are doing the work. Yes.
Okay.
When we are actually working.
Please, what are we doing here, madam? What's this place for? This particular section.
This is IVF lab. This is the laminar flow.
The laminar flow.
Laminar flow. This is ICSI, where we do intracytoplasmic sperm injection. This
Oh.
is the micromanipulator.
Micromanipulator.
Micromanipulator by which we inject a single sperm into the center of the egg with a micro needle.
Oh, okay.
So,
I'm sure that has been explained during the interview.
yes.
So now we,
microneedle.
okay, the micro needle. You actually
Microneedle.
mentioned it
Yes.
during the interview. So
This
this is
is
the
the
micro
micromanipulator.
manipulator.
ICSI machine.
It's a powerful machine.
Yeah,
Are we-
powerful but a very sophisticated gadget.
Very, very
Very
sophisticated.
sophisticated gadget.
Very sophisticated.
And this is laminar flow.
Laminar flow.
Yes.
Alright. I like to shoot from the floor
Yeah.
so that they can actually see that it's a marble floor and it's absolutely clean.
Yeah, it has to be because this is all allo bonding. IVF lab needs a total dirt-free environment.
Total.
So this is dirt-free, dust-free,
Dust-free
dirt-free.
environment.
We have to have a laminar flow outside also, so that when we enter, we all are organisms-free, bacteria-free, each and every staff. And this is the life of any IVF lab. This is the incubator where we feed the eggs and sperm to get fertilized, so that they get incubated for 36 to 48 hours.
Oh, okay.
So this is the incubator,
Incubator.
where your embryos, eggs are incubated.
Wow.
And then we transfer them into your uterus.
Okay.
So this is the
Incubator.
incubator. This
Wow.
is the whole IVF lab. It needs a proper maintenance, totally dust-free, virus-free, bacteria-free, because even a small particle of dust can harm your eggs and embryos.
Oh, okay. That's a nice one, madam.
Yes.
And I can see, like you said, it's not the normal concrete wall.
No, it is not. It's
Seen
a special allo bonding, which
Okay.
does not attract the dust. It's a special material.
Okay. I think we will need to still go back to the other lab, because I was there. I only took I made a video,
Yes.
but I still feel we need some explanation of some of the equipment in the first floor lab.
First,
That's
OT,
the-
operation theatre, you are saying?
Yes, madam.
we will. We will go just now.
We need to do that. Maybe after your.
So you can. This is the IVF lab, and this is the operation theatre.
Where did she go?
She has run away.
She should.
This is the operation theatre where we do pickups and transfers. like I explained in my interview,
Yes.
that we do your egg pickup under ultrasound guidance. This is the ultrasound machine. We see in the ultrasound the number of your eggs, and we take out those eggs under ultrasound guidance. And
So
after
the eggs are taken out
Yes.
under ultrasound
Yes.
guidance.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
But-
and then they are transferred from here to there, where the
Okay.
embryologist does fertilization.
Fertilization. I'm sure
This
that
is a
has been
special,
explained.
OT
Okay.
attached to the IVF lab, specially only for pickups and embryo transfer.
Oh.
Here we don't do any other thing. This is a special OT only made for IVF cases.
Just for IVF
Just
cases.
for IVF cases. We don't do any case here. No patients, nobody is allowed to enter here. And after incubation, embryo transfer is done again here under ultrasound guidance.
Then, madam, how do we keep this facility sterilized?
Yeah.
Because while I was downstairs, you could see I'm this kind of person all along. It's been a kind of breaking all the rules. I met soldiers when I was about entering the facility downstairs, and I was asked that there are some certain procedures,
Yes.
even as a civilian, so I was asked to pull off, or which, of course, even without being told, looking at the environment,
Yes.
I knew is a kind of environment you can't just walk in.
Yes. You
Absolutely sterilized.
Absolutely. This is absolutely sterile. Even while entering, everybody is wearing autoclaved clothes.
Autoclave
Even your-
clothes.
Yes. Even the clothes which we all are wearing, they are autoclaved.
I mean, sterilized
Yes,
at a
sterilized.
particular temperature,
Yes.
under
Clothes,
with
yes.
high pressure.
Yes, clothes
Just to
are
kill.
sterilized under high pressure. Then we have to have OT sleepers, and then after wearing the cap and mask, then only we can enter this area. Now the cases are over. That is why we have removed the mask. Otherwise, cap, mask, clothes, they are must.
This is a very clean.
And 3 weeks before the batch, they start rubbing each and every wall, each and every corner with alcohol, ethyl alcohol.
Oh, that's
With a soft cloth, each and everything, each and every nook and corner, ceiling, floor, walls, everything. Every day they have to clean everything with ethyl alcohol.
ethyl alcohol.
Yes.
Yes,
To
I
make
know
it
it's a
totally
sterilizing agent.
sterilized. Yes.
And I also saw chlorine.
No, that is for the general operation theatre. Here we cannot bring chlorine.
Chlorine
because
to
they are
this.
embryotoxic.
No, what I actually saw is at the first floor. I'm
That
not
is
talking
formalin.
about.
That is formalin.
Yes.
That is
Okay.
for general operation theatre.
General
But
operation.
Here we don't bring formalin.
Oh,
It
okay.
is ethyl alcohol. Which
Ethyl
we take it
alcohol.
on a soft cloth, and everything they
clean.
have to clean. So it takes almost 4 to 5 hours daily to clean these 2 rooms.
And it's a very absolutely
very
clean
sterile,
surface.
very
And
sterile.
I think let me just touch it for the
Yes.
sake of.
Yes, you can
I'm
now
sure
touch it because
even
cases
after-
are over.
Yes, I know it's because it's over. I was actually waiting to do this video.
Yes, you can
It's
touch it.
absolutely dust free.
Yes.
Absolutely dust free.
Absolutely dust-free.
And the facility is a wow.
Yes.
So I'm sure some of the things that we mentioned during the interview,
Yes.
like the needle that we actually stress that is under a very sophisticated condition, is part of this video, so it can be pointed out. And I think the whole idea is these videos are going to be playing
Yes.
somewhere at the reception, back at home in my office. So those coming in to also make inquiries, even before you get to meet us,
Yes.
70 to 80% of your questions would have been answered, I believe, by so doing. And with this documentary too, I believe people back home can see beyond reasonable doubt
Yes.
that indeed the facilities here are world class. Like this is I must confess, I'm not a medical person. I'm just seeing this type for the first time.
Yes.
Pardon me, I'm not saying everybody is like myself, but for me, I'm just saying this for the first time.
Yes, but this is definitely a world-class facility.
Yes, it is, I think,
Spacious,
yes.
dusty, with all state-of-the-art gadgets and equipments.
And ma'am, when we met you yesterday, you were a civilian.
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
you're really good to go.
Look.
And for our information, she's been very busy I'm only I was only allowed to come in because work is as good as over.
Yeah.
And everybody is relaxed. Several hours before now, it was a very uptight environment.
Yes.
I believe business comes first.
Yes.
And I think professionalism, delivery, and of course your client satisfaction has always come first.
Yes.
So madam, how do you, despite the people, because when I was at the lobby yesterday I saw some faces and today I saw some new faces, so how do you manage to make every patient special? Because the women coming around is like there's a personal attachment to you. How do you do that?
That's just my passion. I feel each and every patient should feel comfortable in my setting, and
Wow.
they all should go happy. And I will be more happy if their test comes positive. That is what we have tried.
I'm
Last 4
sure.
hours we were doing that only.
I'm sure it should also go beyond the medical satisfaction too.
Yes.
I believe when there's a bond between you and your doctor psychologically too, you know, people maybe elsewhere in the Western world, before they go for or come for a procedure like this, they will be asked to see their psychologist, maybe to help their psychic, prepare their mind. You know, here I think you are just a combination of a doctor, a psychologist. Even before now, there was this series of counseling, trying to have a personal session with these women.
Yes.
You talk to them, prepare their mind. You know, there's a way you make them feel as if it's just one of those things.
They are really very important to us.
Wow.
We want to make them feel very special.
I must commend madam, you're doing a very good job. And this is one of madam's nurses, another lively woman.
Yes.
Always smiling and very efficient.
Yes.
I believe by the time some of us come over here, we will definitely be in good hands.
Yes.
And one of the Africans there, which I will not disclose the identity, maybe until you meet me personally, she is so fond of this man.
Yes.
And he has a query to answer.
Yeah. He's a dance teacher as well, and he manages all the operation theatre work.
All right, madam, this is beautiful, ma'am.
Yes.
Let me just have one more time. And in the course of the filming, I also met Dr. Anil Shrikandi, madam's husband. And maybe when time permits us, we might do a little documentary on his own aspects too. We can see the floor, his marble is absolutely clean. Absolutely clean. And I think this room is also airtight.
Yes, it has to be.
It has to be airtight.
Outside contamination will come inside. It has to be absolutely airtight.
So for those of us planning to come to India,
we allowed you inside.
I think I am very, very privileged. I think madam, you're actually doing this for a lot of people who would want to ask questions.
Yes.
I'm sure I'm just one exceptional case. This don't happen all the time, and I don't think it happens at all. Thank you, sir. Can I get to know you? Your name, sir?
Satish.
Mr. Satish?
Neha.
Neha? I've met her before. Neha. This ever smiling one. And of course, we met madam during the interview.
Yes.
The doctor herself. Of course, I'm sure from this video they will see a lot of your awards because we've done the filming of the awards.
Okay.